In fact, guys, just to give you an update for these transfers, new shirt sponsors for Chelsea. Chelsea is in search, yes, to find a front shirt sponsor for our new jerseys for next season. Yes, and these are the possible shirt sponsors. By the way, let's read the information. Yes, Chelsea are in talks with a number of FOBs sponsor suitors from the Middle East and the USA, although a long-term deal is not expected to be announced until after the Club World Cup. Chelsea are requesting 55 million per year, yes, or per season. So guys, that is the latest information. Chelsea looking for a shirt sponsor. Yes, Denmark came during the ending part of this season, but it wasn't a long-term contract. So they will negotiate with Chelsea to see if they can agree on the deal. So many shirt sponsors are on the list, on the line, and Chelsea will start the negotiation or the talks after the Club World Cup. Yes, and as you are seeing on the screen, yes, possible shirt sponsors for Chelsea. Guys, Qatar Airways is there, Fly Emirates is there, Riyadh Air is there, Samsung is there, and Denmark. As I said, Denmark, it was a short contract, so they will negotiate further after the Club World Cup. So guys, looking at the shirt sponsors' names, looking at the jersey you are watching on the screen with Enzo Fernandez, which shirt sponsor will look nice for us, for our jersey? Last season it was Denmark. So Denmark on the new jersey, would that look nice, guys? Samsung, in fact, this Samsung, I think we have good history with Samsung. Yes, the first Champions League winning year, it wasn't Samsung. It looked like Chelsea first 2012, Chelsea were Samsung to win the Champions League. Riyadh Air, yes, Riyadh Air, they have been on the list for some time now. And Qatar Airways, not Qatar, Qatar Airways, they are also on the list for some time now. Fly Emirates, yes, I think they also came. No, Qatar Airways, they came. They wanted to partner, but because of the Champions League. So guys, looking at the sponsors on the shirt, which sponsor will be befitting, beautiful for our jersey for next season? So guys, that is the latest information. Chelsea finding a new shirt sponsor for our new jersey next season. Chelsea want 55 million. It's okay per a season or per a year. 55 because next season we are delivering or playing Champions League. Yes, the most watched league or the most watched tournament in world football, club tournament in world football. Yes. So guys, that is the latest information for new shirt sponsor. Let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought, and also Kendry Paez, our young player, Chelsea son, he will travel to United States. Paez will travel to United States, but he is not registered with the squad. He will not play and he can't participate, but he will be training with the squad at United States. So after the Club World Cup, Chelsea will then decide his future. Information said that Chelsea may let him leave on loan. Yes, on loan to Strasbourg. That is the rumors. Yes. So he will travel to United States, join the squad. He will not play. He is not eligible to play or legal to play, but he will be training with the squad. And another or latest information from Fabrizio about Moises Caicedo contract extension. Chelsea will deal with it when we finish the Club World Cup. Chelsea will start that talks, that negotiation with Moises Caicedo to see, guys, if they can extend Moises Caicedo contract. And Caicedo contract, it will depend on Caicedo whether he will accept or not. And also it will depend on the wages, whether the wage increasement, the amount they will give him, he will accept to take it or not. But from Fabrizio, after the Club World Cup, as the season ended, Chelsea will start the negotiation soon to extend Moises Caicedo contract. And this, Charlie, I want Moises Caicedo to be a legend. Yes, like N'Golo Kante in the future. Yes, I want Caicedo to stay, win trophies and show that quality performance, so that one day Caicedo will be Chelsea legend. So let's hope at the end of the day they agree on the contract extension. So guys, that is the latest information from Moises Caicedo also. And also don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more people on the YouTube algorithm. And Victor Gyökeres latest just came that Arsenal are having talks. Yes, even Fabrizio, Arsenal is weighing between Sesko and Victor Gyökeres. So it means that Victor Gyökeres coming to Chelsea is also gradual coming to an end. Although we don't know, or anything can still happen. The official transfer window hasn't opened. It will open on 16th. But Chelsea want to sign a second striker. So let's see whether Chelsea will go to see they can get him, because from Fabrizio, Arsenal are having that contact, or they are having that talks with Sporting. Yes, even Sesko and Gyökeres, they are interested. They are waiting up to see who they are going to sign. And for Manchester United, it is not looking like prominent or he can go to United, because I think the guy wants competition. Yes, he wants Champions League football. He wants serious club, big club. Yes, so he's looking up to Arsenal. Is Arsenal a big club? He's looking up to Arsenal or Chelsea, because we can offer him Champions League football next season. So guys, that is the latest for Benjamin Sesko and Victor Gyökeres transfer. And Victor Osimhen still off. Yes, he said no to Al Hilal, and agent P Square and agent Obin Mikel, yes, they are working on it underground. Yes, and for me, I believe Charlie, it won't be easy. Osimhen coming to Chelsea. Charlie, I will always say that they won't pay the wages. And Osimhen also said that I will not reduce. So here, one must take a sacrifice, whether Osimhen or Chelsea owners. So guys, we are waiting to see, yes, where this transfer will end. Whether Osimhen will come to Chelsea, he will go back to Galatasaray. Information said that United open talks, and I don't think with the Champions League. Okay, if maybe United can pay the money, Osimhen can go, but I won't like it, especially in the Premier League. No. Even if Osimhen will not come to Chelsea, he shouldn't come to the Premier League. For that one, especially Manchester United. That is why some of us were problem with Mason Mount. No. You were our darling boy. So when we are about to make a difference or change a team, go to somewhere else. Don't go to United. I don't want to see Mason Mount in United shirt. No. As a Chelsea fan, I won't be happy. Even Havertz going to Arsenal. For Havertz there, in fact, we gave him something that he can never win anywhere. So we are good to go as Chelsea fans. What we gave Havertz, he can never win it at Arsenal. Forget. I'm telling you. So guys, that is the latest information for this strikers Chelsea interested to sign. Let me hear from you under the comment section. And let's come to Chalobah transfer issue. Information came that now Chalobah is no more on the list of players Chelsea will sell. Unlike last 2 months, yes, Chelsea wanted to sell him even during the summer. Chelsea wanted to sell him until he went out on loan, and in January Chelsea called him back that he is no more on the list of Chelsea, those Chelsea will sell. But here's the condition. Chelsea will not guarantee him playing time. Chelsea will not tell him that because you may stay, no matter how the situation, you will be starting every game. That Chelsea will not guarantee Chalobah that. But they are not selling Chalobah for now, unless maybe a good reasonable buy come or offer come. But for now, he is not on the list. But Chalobah will not be given a guarantee playing time. Guys, that is the latest information for Chalobah. So let me hear from you about Chalobah. Yes, should Chelsea give him a playing time? And for me, I don't support selling Chalobah for now. Even if Chelsea will sell Chalobah, then we should go to the market and bring center backs, because we are lacking center backs. We need a reliable center back. And another update for Marc Guehi. Yes, during the January transfer window, Chelsea wanted to sign him back. Crystal Palace asked for 70 million, and Chelsea wanted to do a swapping deal with Chalobah. Now, information said that Chelsea is working to sign him with a cut price. Chelsea is not ready to pay the 70 million. Maybe 40 million or 50 million or 45 million. So Chelsea is working to pay a cut price for Marc Guehi. Yes. So guys, that is the latest update for Marc Guehi also. So let me hear from you under the comment section about Chalobah. Should Chelsea sell him? Should we stay? Should Chelsea give him that guaranteed playing time and Marc Guehi transfer to Chelsea? Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. And let's come to Liam Delap and Nicolas Jackson, our two strikers. As Chelsea completed the signing of Liam Delap, now information came that Chelsea doesn't have the intention to sell Jackson. But if any big bite come, Chelsea may look onto that to see if they can sell Jackson. But for now, there's no intention, or Chelsea is not ready to sell Nicolas Jackson. And Chelsea is gearing up or looking up to see Delap and Jackson being our two strikers next season. But as I said, if any big bite come, Chelsea will look onto that to see if they should sell Jackson or not. So guys, that is the latest information for Nicolas Jackson. So let me hear from you under the comment section about Chelsea selling Nicolas Jackson. Should Chelsea sell him or not? And the winger Chelsea interested to sign, Alejandro Garnacho. Yes, information came that Garnacho and Amorim relationship has been broken, and Garnacho want to leave. Even earlier, information came from United camp that they are selling Garnacho. Yes, they want Garnacho to leave. So Garnacho price 40 million or 50 million. And that Garnacho even want to stay in the Premier League. So Garnacho want to join Chelsea. If Chelsea come calling for Garnacho, personal terms will not be an issue. Garnacho want to play or stay in the Premier League, and he would like to join Chelsea. That is the latest information for the winger Alejandro Garnacho and Jamie Gittins. During the course of this month, Chelsea may return to see if they can get the deal done. The same as Kudus, everything is still on about these wingers. And Anthony, Manchester United also put Anthony on the market, and information said that they are pricing him, or his fee is 15 million, and Chelsea want a winger. Guys, I am throwing this question to you. Should Chelsea go for Anthony? Do you think he can come and do it at Chelsea? Guys, Anthony to Chelsea, yes or no? Let me hear from you under the comment section. So guys, that is the latest information from Chelsea camp as we are speaking now. If anything happen, I will update you again. And my preview is coming. Yes, our Club World Cup, Chelsea will play on Monday with Los Angeles, the first game. By the way, my video is coming about it, the preview. I will give my prediction. Yes, looking at from all the 32 teams from Group A to Group G or F or Group H is like that. Yes, so please turn on the notification bell, hit the like button, hit the subscription button. When those videos come, you will be the first person to see it. Take care, peace.